All right, we're going inside to take a look at this 2023 Keystone Outback 328 RL. Look at all the windows. That is a panoramic view. It also has a radius ceiling for extra headroom. Opposing slides leave you plenty of room for an island. Check out, you got the booth dinette that makes into a bed. That sofa makes into a bed. There is a entertainment wall with a huge fireplace and TV. It's got a chef-friendly kitchen. There's a spot for an air fryer and coffee pot. Plenty of storage, two refrigerators. Let's take a look at the bathroom. This one has plenty of room around the toilet, big corner shower, plenty of storage. It has a king-size bed on a slide. Leaves a lot of room for that closet and a spot for a washer and dryer. It's got a built-in dog crate, automatic leveling. Plenty of storage on the outside. By the way, my name is Duke at Holiday World of Katy in Katy, Texas. Check out this storage tray. That's cool. It's got two awnings, stereo speakers, and a place to hook up an outdoor TV.